Hi, welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today we will discuss how the Shein Points work. So Shein Points work as a reward system that lets you earn and use points to get discounts on future purchases. You can collect points by engaging with the app, such as confirming orders, writing products reviews, checking in daily, or participating in promotional events. Once you earn points, they will automatically appear in your account. At the checkout, when you make an order, you can choose to apply them to lower your total cost. The value of Shein Points is usually fixed, where 100 points equal to $1. These points have expiration date depending on how and when you earn them. If you don't use them in time, they will disappear from your account, so it's always a good idea to keep track and use them regularly to maximize your savings. So that's basically it. I hope you find this video helpful. Please leave the thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. See you later. Bye bye.